noba bungabungakanani utywala emgidini, noba kungekho abantu abangakanani, that is not in any way, shape or form indicative of the quality of men that you should be mfethu. Noba awuyalwanga, noba uyalwe ngabantu abanxilileyo, noba awunanto zintsha zonxiba, xa ulikrwala, noba khange wenziwe umgidi sometimes, ubone noba whatever the case, into ekwenza indoda yimfundiso yendlela yokwenza noziphatha oyifumana xa ungumkhwetha. Yeyona nto ibalulekileyo leyo xa uzoba yindoda. Not usika ujwabi, not impahla ozinxibayo xa ulikrwala, not umgidi wakho uba ungakanani, not uba kuze abantu abangakanani, not uba bekuselwa utywala obungakanani. None of those things contribute anything to the quality of a man that you want to be or you may aspire towards being. So be very careful, bafethu, on what you place focus on. Even abazali, be extremely cautious and careful about the things that you place emphasis on, so that umntana does not take the wrong message and practice it as the gospel of being indoda. It's very important that we respect our culture. It's very important that we ask when we don't know. It's very important that we don't do things just for the sake of doing them because neighbors are doing them, or across the street they're doing it, or umalume did it like this for umchana. Very important to ask